Hey, so my name's Robin at Trust Roofing Company. This is our showroom where clients can come and learn about the different materials and different colors of roofing options that we offer and learn more about them. So over here, this is our wall tiles. It's a modular metal tile offering that we bring to the table. Over here, all the different colors of standing seam metal roofing that we as a company offer. Over here, this is a selection of the various concrete tiles that we offer. There are more than this, but this is a selection, and then we have more samples in the back. All right, so these are our flat roofing options, TPO, vinyl decking, and then modified bitumen. Over here, this is Brava. So this is a high-end synthetic tile. Over here are all of our various colors and types of asphalt shingles that we offer. This is our kiosk where you can see the different materials on your home and where you can actually see a gallery of work that we've performed and kind of learn more about the company from there. Here we have our stone-coated steel roofing material, and then we also have our GAF timber steel colors on display. Right here, we have a few types of different soffit that we offer, hardy soffit, and then a few kinds of vinyl and aluminum soffits. As you kind of go around the showroom, you can see some of our different drip edge colors, like there's one, too. We have them kind of spread in the tile section here, so you get an idea of the different edge finishes that you can go with.